Here are 10 hot spring stories you can listen to in English. Now, let's get started. Tidal Hot Spring. Can you imagine a hot spring that is completely swallowed by the ocean twice a day? This is the unique reality of Mizonashi Kaihin Onsen in Hokkaido, an open-air bath that appears on the coast only during low tide. The hot spring water, a sodium chloride type, emerges directly from the rocky shore, creating natural pools where one can bathe right next to the sea. However, this remarkable experience is ephemeral. As the tide rises, the entire area becomes submerged under seawater, rendering the bath inaccessible for most of the day. As a result, bathing is restricted to a narrow window of just a few hours daily. Although it is a no-yu, a term for a wild and undeveloped natural hot spring, Mizonashi Kaihin Onsen is officially overseen by the city of Hakodate. The city maintains basic changing rooms for public use, adding a degree of convenience to the otherwise rugged experience. This combination of municipal management and raw, untamed nature makes it a fascinating destination. Bathers must meticulously check the tide tables before visiting to ensure they can witness this fleeting phenomenon where the Earth's geothermal heat meets the cold, powerful ocean. Hot Spring River. Have you ever imagined bathing not in a pool, but in an entire river of hot spring water? At Kawayu Onsen, on the shores of Lake Kusharo in Hokkaido, a literal river of geothermal water flows from the foot of the active volcano, Mount Iu. This natural waterway is exceptionally acidic, with a pH level of 2 or lower. Adding to its uniqueness, more hot spring water constantly bubbles up from the riverbed itself, creating a completely wild spa experience. Since the water temperature varies throughout the river, bathers need to find a spot with a suitable temperature, which is typically around 40 degrees Celsius. This offers an unparalleled feeling of connection with the natural environment. However, there is a significant consideration. The area is entirely unmanaged. Visitors who decide to bathe in the river do so at their own risk, as there are no official supervisors or safety facilities in place. Oily hot spring. What if a hot spring was discovered not while searching for water, but for petroleum? This is precisely the origin of Toyotomi Onsen in Hokkaido, a globally rare hot spring accidentally unearthed during an oil exploration project. The water is classified as a sodium chloride spring, but is distinguished by its inclusion of a slight amount of oil, specifically a tar-based natural organic substance. This unique composition, with a comfortable temperature of approximately 42 degrees Celsius, offers a bathing experience quite unlike any other. Far from being a mere novelty, this oily component is the very reason for the onsen's therapeutic renown. The natural oil is believed to have a significant anti-inflammatory effect on the skin, making the spring a prominent destination for balneotherapy or medicinal bathing. Many people suffering from chronic skin conditions, particularly atopic dermatitis and psoriasis, travel to Toyotomi for its reputed healing properties. Consequently, what was an unintended byproduct of an industrial search for fuel has become a cherished natural remedy, valued for its unique dermatological benefits. Hot spring with monkeys. Can you imagine sharing a hot spring with wild monkeys? At Korakuken in Nagano's Jigokudani Onsen, you can have the unique experience of soaking in an open-air bath while observing wild Japanese macaques, famously known as snow monkeys, bathing nearby. This area is globally renowned for its population of monkeys that descend from the mountains to warm themselves in the natural hot springs during the cold winters. The water, a sodium, calcium chloride, and sulfate spring, emerges from its source at a temperature of over 90 degrees Celsius. However, you will not actually be sharing the same water with these primates. Due to strict hygiene management, the baths for humans and the pool used exclusively by the monkeys are kept separate. The human bath is located right beside the monkey's dedicated hot spring, allowing for an incredibly close viewing experience without direct physical contact. This thoughtful separation ensures the health and safety of visitors while allowing the wild monkeys to continue their natural, centuries-old habit of enjoying the geothermal waters. Cave-forming bath. What if a hot spring bath could build its own limestone formations right before your eyes? At Yamabato-yu in Nara's Shionaha Onsen, this is a reality. The bathtub is constantly being reshaped by high concentrations of calcium carbonate in the spring water. As the 39 degrees Celsius water flows, these minerals precipitate and harden onto the edges of the tub, creating an extraordinary, ever-evolving landscape that resembles miniature terraced rice paddies or the inside of a limestone cave. This unique feature grows at a remarkable rate of approximately 1 centimeter per year. This rapid accumulation, however, means the formations must be periodically chipped away to maintain the bath's usability. The source of this geological marvel is an iron-containing sodium/calcium bicarbonate chloride spring. A significant part of its appeal is that its natural temperature is nearly perfect for bathing, requiring no artificial heating. Guests can experience the water exactly as it emerges from the earth, a rare quality that makes this onsen a truly unique destination. Hot Spring by Cable Car. Imagine descending 170 meters down a steep valley, not for a hike, but for a hot spring. This is the unique experience offered at Iya Onsen, a secluded hot spring in Japan's Tokushima Prefecture. To reach the open-air baths located at the bottom of the scenic Iya Valley, visitors must ride a special cable car. The journey takes about 5 minutes, traveling down a steep track with an incline of 42 degrees. This dramatic descent provides a breathtaking prelude to the soak, offering spectacular views of the river and surrounding nature. The hot spring itself is as impressive as the journey to get there. The water, a 39.3 degrees Celsius alkaline simple sulfur spring, emerges naturally from the ground and flows directly into the baths, a style known as Gensen Kakanagashi. This method, which uses fresh, uncirculated water, is highly valued by onsen connoisseurs. The remote location and unique access method ensure that a visit to Iya Onsen is not just a bath, but a memorable adventure into one of Japan's hidden gems. Turquoise River Spa. Have you ever dreamed of swimming in a warm, turquoise river flowing directly out of a mountain? In Hidalgo, Mexico, the Grutas Tolantongo makes this a reality. This unique geological formation features a canyon where thermal water, with a consistent temperature of 36 to 38 degrees Celsius, cascades from a cave and down cliffs to form a stunning river. This natural spa, with its dozens of human-made terraced pools built into the cliffside, attracts more than 1.5 million visitors annually. The river's mesmerizing turquoise color is not an illusion or the result of artificial dyes. It is a natural phenomenon caused by the water's high concentration of dissolved minerals, particularly fine particles of calcium carbonate and magnesium. These particles scatter sunlight, reflecting blue and green wavelengths, which gives the water its characteristic milky blue appearance. The high mineral content is also said to impart a smooth, soft feeling to the skin, adding to the therapeutic appeal of this remarkable destination. Iceberg View Hot Spring. Can you imagine soaking in a warm bath while watching majestic icebergs drift by? On the remote island of Unertok in Greenland, this unique experience is a reality. 3 natural springs converge into a small, man-made pool, maintaining a consistent and comfortable temperature of approximately 38 degrees Celsius year-round. This allows visitors to immerse themselves in the naturally heated water, creating a stark contrast with the surrounding landscape of icy fjords and towering mountains. What makes this geothermal pool truly exceptional is that it is the only hot spring in all of Greenland with a temperature perfectly suited for bathing. Its history is also deeply rooted in the past, stretching back more than 1,000 years. It is widely believed that Norse settlers, also known as Vikings, discovered and used these therapeutic waters during their colonization of the region. This ancient natural spa provided them with a source of warmth and relaxation in the harsh Arctic environment long before it became a destination for modern travelers. Turkey's Cotton Castle. Did you know there is a natural wonder in Turkey called the Cotton Castle? Pamukkale, which translates to this name in Turkish, is a surreal landscape of pure white travertine terraces. This geological formation has been created over 2,000 years by thermal water rich in calcium carbonate. As the water, with a temperature of approximately 35 degrees Celsius, flows down the hillside, it deposits the mineral, which crystallizes to form a series of dazzling white pools. The resulting site is a breathtaking cascade of terraces that look like they are made of snow or cotton. However, the beauty of Pamukkale has been threatened by its own popularity. In the late 20th century, extensive tourism development, including the construction of hotels directly above the terraces, diverted the mineral-rich water and caused significant damage and discoloration to the white landscape. In response, these hotels were demolished and strict regulations were enforced. Today, to preserve the delicate structures, visitors are required to walk barefoot on designated paths, ensuring that this unique UNESCO World Heritage Site can be protected from further degradation. Bubbling champagne pool. Ever imagined a hot spring that fizzes like a glass of champagne? In New Zealand, the champagne pool is a remarkable geothermal feature where a continuous release of carbon dioxide creates this very effect on its surface. Formed 900 years ago by a hydrothermal eruption, this terrestrial hot spring reaches a scalding temperature of 74 degrees Celsius. The pool, which is 60 meters deep, contains a rich solution of dissolved minerals, including valuable elements like gold and silver, alongside toxic ones such as arsenic. The pool's visual appeal is enhanced by a vibrant orange ledge surrounding its edge. This striking feature is not rock, but rather a deposit created by the precipitation of abundant minerals, particularly compounds of arsenic and antimony, from the cooling water. The combination of the extreme heat and the presence of these toxic elements makes the champagne pool a stunning natural spectacle that is beautiful to observe from a safe distance, but far too dangerous for bathing.